Causality explained why you keep repeating the same patterns. 1. The root of causality, the universal law of cause and effect. At its purest level, causality is the backbone of existence. Every effect has a cause, and every cause becomes an effect to another cause. Nothing stands isolated. Every event, thought, or movement arises because something before it set it into motion. In philosophy and metaphysics, this principle is sometimes called determinism, or in spiritual traditions, karma, not punishment or reward, but sequence and consequence. Even time itself depends on causality. Without cause and effect, there would be no before or after. The universe would just be an unmoving stillness, no becoming, no evolution. 2. Philosophical causality, the question of why. Philosophers wrestled with causality for centuries. Aristotle broke it into 4 causes: the material, formal, efficient, and final, explaining not just what made a thing, but why it exists and what it aims toward. Hume, on the other hand, questioned if we ever truly see causality, arguing that what we call cause and effect might just be habitual association. The sun rises after night, so we believe one causes the other. But do we see the cause itself? In essence, philosophy asks, is causality something built into reality, or something our minds project onto it to make sense of things? That question alone changes how we interpret everything, even trading, love, and personal growth. 3. Psychological causality, the inner mechanism. Here's where causality becomes personal. Our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions are causes. Our behaviors and experiences are effects. When someone says, "I always lose in trading," or "people always disappoint me," it's not mere observation. It's an ongoing loop of internal causation. The belief shapes perception, which shapes behavior, which creates evidence to reinforce the belief. You can think of it like a mirror feedback system. Inner cause arrow, outer effect arrow, reinforced belief arrow, stronger cause. That's why real change isn't just about changing results, but changing the causal layer, the root thought or emotional vibration behind an outcome. 4. Trading causality, the market as a mirror. In trading, causality gets blurry because we want to believe something causes price movement, news, fundamentals, institutions, algorithms. But the market, in truth, is a web of collective causality, millions of individual decisions reacting to one another. The deeper truth is, we don't trade the market's causality, we trade our own. When you lose focus, chase price, or hold a losing trade hoping it'll turn, that's an inner cause playing out. The market becomes a mirror of your psychological sequence. Uncertainty causes hesitation. Hesitation causes missed setups. Missed setups cause revenge trades, and the loop continues. Understanding causality in trading means tracing the line backward. Not why the market moved, but why you moved the way you did when the market moved. That's radical responsibility. 5. Spiritual causality, the silent witness. On a spiritual level, causality reveals both the illusion and the order of life. You start to see that everything that happens, the wins, losses, heartbreaks, breakthroughs, unfolds from an invisible chain of causes, stretching back beyond what the conscious mind can trace. When awareness deepens, you stop trying to control every effect and begin to understand the harmony behind causes. You realize you are the meeting point between cause and effect. Consciousness witnessing itself unfolding. That's the stillness behind movement. 6. Causality becomes clarity, the end of the loop. When you begin to see the pattern, not just in the market, but in yourself, something subtle happens. You no longer chase effects, you trace causes. You start to recognize that your life, your results, your emotions all follow a rhythm. Not punishment, not luck, but sequence. And when awareness meets that rhythm, causality turns into clarity. You stop asking, why does this keep happening to me? And begin asking, what within me is still creating this? That single question dissolves victimhood. It returns power. At that moment, the loop breaks, not because the world changes, but because you finally see through it. The same energy that once caused confusion now reveals wisdom. You realize that you were both the cause and the effect all along. That's where movement and stillness meet. That's where causality becomes clarity. Like, share, and follow for more timeless ideas to help you grow in trading and in self-awareness.